All right. So, welcome to the market of gold. I'm going to be walking us through the analysis of gold. This is the first week of November, the second to the last month of the year. So, quickly, I'm going to be running us through the market of gold. And last week, we were able to look at some analysis on gold, the moves, the patterns, and the probabilities of the future movement of gold, and we were able to catch some pips last week. And of course, we were able to also lose some pips. So quickly, we're going to be going through top-down analysis on gold. Meanwhile, before I go there, this were actually certain analysis I did before this class. I think that was early in the morning today. Okay, early in the morning yesterday, because this is way past time already. All right, so I said that gold, I think by then it was around this place. Yeah, it was around this place. So my expectation was for it to come and retest this zone and then sell downward. And that's actually what we have from here. Of course, if I'm taking this market, it should be from here. If I'm taking this market, it should be that I'm picking it from here. I'm picking it from here, right? Just 30 pips. And then take it down to the next recent low. Take it to the recent low, which is here, right? Which is somewhat here. So this is where I would have taken the market from. That's 1 to ratio 5, right? 1 to ratio 5, which is 460 pips, where we are risking 30 pips for, or let me say we're risking 31 pips for 160 pips, which is fair enough, right? But we couldn't pick this market. I didn't set a pending order because gold has been doing some crazy moves this weekend, or sorry, beginning from last week through this week. So haven't seen that gold broke this particular trend line. We expect for it to come and retest a zone first, which is this very zone. A lot of activities have been happening in this zone. If you watch my previous video, it will give you a clear picture to how I got this zone. So just go back to the video before this. It should explain to you more on what gold had been doing that gave us a reason to map out this particular zone for as a crucial zone to keep eye on, right? So currently this is what we're looking at. Since this particular movement happened here, this zone has been retested already. So let me clear some of these guys here so we can have a clearer picture of what the market is about to do. Right. Remove this guy here. All right, so this is it. Let's go to the daily. What's happening in the daily? The daily, we realize that, of course, a particular trend has been broken. Let's say this particular trend, this trend is broken, even the daily. This particular trend is broken, right? So we have a new zone here. So let me remove this guy for now. Remove that too. We have a new zone here, which is this from the daily. We have this guy here, right? This is what we are seeing from the daily. And then also we have something happening here. Right? See, this guy started from here, and then you come and respect it here. So we also have this guy here. This is on the daily. I have one on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, what can we see? So on the 4 hours, we see that this trend is also broken. This particular trend is broken. And that's the reason for this particular retest. it broke this particular trend line, came and retested it at this zone, came and retested the zone, and then sold it all the way to this place, all the way to this place. So currently what's happening? Now we're still waiting for this market because based on what this market just did here right now, it is either that this market has changed, it is trying to begin a new trend so that from here we can see something like this and we can see something like this. But this will not be clear on the 4 hours except we go to the 1 hour, right? So if we are to draw this particular trend line from here, of which we've done that already on the on the daily, it should be something like this, right? Sorry, should be something like this. You see, it is broken already. It's broken. So this is what we are seeing. It is either that this market just give a retracement after a bullish run, came to retest it here so that it can continue it right to the upside, right, and give us a new. So this could just be a price correction by retesting this zone because a lot of things have been happening here. So let's go to the one and see what's happening. On the one now, this is what we have. So you can pick it from week to week. You can pick it from body to body. So we have this market give us a high here, a low here, a lower high here, and then a lower low here. Probably it is coming to give a new low here, a new lower high here, and then if that happen, having seen some confirmation for a sell, then we could sell it down probably to the next one below, of which we are going to track what zone to sell it to. I think the next zone to sell to is this particular zone. This particular zone is still valid, still very much valid. It is either for it, but if this doesn't happen, it means this market is going to break. If this market breaks this particular trend line, we expect it to break to the upside, and then it is not a must, but based on market structure, you come on and trade this particular zone, and then from here we're going to sell it all the way to this place. All right, so I hope you understand what I just mean from this. This is about 152 pips. We're going to be risking 30 pips for 152 pips, which is a good one, right? So just keep an eye on this particular market. Whatsoever outcome we have, that is based on what is going to be happening here, of which we expect this to take place in the next few hours. London session, this should play out. London session, this should play out. Going to the lower time frame, say 1 hour. So if we come to this place, what confirmation are we seeing? We're seeing either a confirmation for a weak rejection. So probably let's say this market comes here and then it gives a weak rejection here. Boom. We're going to sell it all the way from here. It gives a weak rejection. Wait for a close of that weak rejection. And then we're going to take the market from there down to this place. Probably multiple 1 or 2 week rejection will give us a confirmation to sell it all the way down to this place. Or it comes here and then it gives us an M pattern. Then it's also a confirmation for us to pick this market all the way to this place. I hope you understand what I mean by what I just explained. So let's go to the market of Euro JPY. Let's go to the market of Euro USD. Let's go to the market of Euro USD. If you notice carefully, Euro USD and gold, they have almost similar. They are not similar, not at all, but they have almost similar wave pattern in terms of their movement. So at times, when we come to the London session, we realize that the candle that is forming, the nature of candle that is forming on the market of gold is also forming the market of um is also forming the market of Euro USD. Wow. And then yeah, so there's that similar pattern of movement on the two guys. So let me switch. So this is what is happening here. So this is it. Remember, we took this market from here. We wrote this market from here. We took a sell here. Then we took a sell around this place. We sold it from here. And then we added a position here. Right? We added a position here. Then we sold all the way to this place. We closed it here. And then the road here all the way to this place. And then we took a new position here. This new position we took around this place. No, I think the position we took it around here. We came late, sorry. So we took the position here. And then we set our TP here. So this is it. We took it here, set our stop loss just a little bit above here. I think that was around 18 pips. And then our TP, we set it, I think down to this place there about plus 30 something pips. All right. So what now happened was that this market sold all the way to this place. From here, it sold all the way to this place, which is around 27 pips, and it retraced and came and cleared our stop loss. Well, I was not actually close to the market because the moment I see this particular momentum candle, these two momentum candle, I know that this market is heading straight to our stop loss. Would have closed the market before it hit our stop loss so that we can have a lower stop loss, a small loss, instead of a big loss of 18 pips, which is even really not a big loss, but we can cut the loss even a little more lesser than that, right? So we always want to keep our losses small and then our wins big. That's why whenever we have a confirmation in our entry, we try to add more positions. So this is what we're looking at for now. First thing first, let's go to the daily and see what's happening on the daily. On the daily, this market has been showing us a lot of drama, a lot of drama, a lot of drama. This market has been giving us a lot of drama. Come and give us many weak rejection of cover. So we come here, reject it. So it means this market is likely going bullish. It has been giving us this bullish move, a strong bullish move, a strong bearish move, all sort of move, giving us all sort of weak rejection. We've not really had a trend yet on the market of Euro USD. But as day traders, we know where to catch our entries based on the confluence, based on the particular market formation of the particular market pattern that is forming, which is in coincision with our confluence. So this is what we have. We realize that this guy here, this has been a very critical zone. This particular zone has been a very critical zone. So on the 4 hours, what are we seeing? We're seeing a double bottom here, boop, boop, boop here, right? So we expect this market to ride all the way to this place, probably. It's still on that probability. Always remember that. So what if I draw a trend from here? It may not work, nonetheless, but let's just have it. Meanwhile, this guy, I think the relevance of this guy is due. So I think I'm not comfortable with this trend here. I'm not just comfortable with it. And then also, I think the relevance of this guy, but for now, I think it's still a little bit valid. Let's just keep it there for now. Just keep it there for now. So, what are we expecting from this market? As for me, I'm really expecting for this market to come and retest this place. to still come down and retest this guy here before we take it to the upside. Meanwhile, we're expecting this market to move and give us this. So it's just like a head and a shoulder. So it should come down to this place. This is 1 hour, right? So let's say within the London session, we expect for this market to have come down to this place. During the London session, we expect this market to have come down to this place. Now, this is where the place of patience come in, not because you see this market buying, you now decided to just go and buy, all of that. So even if it comes here, we'll still wait for certain confirmation before we go in for the long. We must still wait for certain confirmation. Then we're now going for the long. We'll now long it from there. But I think we'll take our first TP around this place. 86 p. 86 p on Euro USD. Euro USD is it's a very weak currency. It doesn't move fast most of the time. It moves fast some of the time, but most of the time it moves so sluggish. So we have a double bottom here, both on the 4 hours and on the 1 hour, right? Yeah, on the 1 hour and on the 15-minute. So we're waiting for this market to come and give us this. Then first tip should be here. This is what we're waiting. This is what we're waiting for. This happened, we'll go in big. All right, so if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. So in case there is something I explained here that you don't understand, just drop it in the comment section, and I'll write ahead answer. I'll write ahead answer and give you the clarity of what you need to know with respect to the question you asked. And don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button also. Don't forget to like. I really appreciate if you like this particular video, and then also you share it with your loved ones. Thank you so much, and I appreciate the time you take to watch this particular tutorial. Have a wonderful trading week. Bye for now.